Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use Rumble to make money. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Welcome to the tutorial. So to navigate to Rumble, just type in rumble.com. Then you will be routed at the landing page, and this page is actually the homepage of Rumble. A lot of users use this platform because this is one of the platforms that you can easily generate money from online posting. And to start our journey, on your upper right corner, just click the sign up button. And then you will be routed at the registration page. You will have to type in all the informations that are needed. And don't you worry, since it is a free account registration, you don't have to put your card number and all that. So just type in everything that you need, and once you are done, just click the register button. And once you are at this page, it says that please check your email to activate your account to start uploading videos. So we go to our email and verify the account, and then now we can start the steps on how we can make money using Rumble. So we are at the homepage of Rumble, and on the left side panel of your screen you have all the shortcuts. It has the home icon, my feed, my browse, editor picks, watch history, and so on. You can go through it once you have an account. And then, getting back to the topic, on your upper corner, just click the profile icon and we go to stats and earnings. This page right here is where the users can track their earnings or the money that they have generated on their Rumble account. It contains a graph about your earnings. So since I haven't uploaded anything yet, you don't see lines on my graph. Also, you don't see numbers on my estimated earnings because this is a new account. And so the question here is, how will you make money here in Rumble? There are actually 3 options to make money in Rumble. The very first one is to get your account verified, so in that way your videos will be monetized. So as we talk about that topic, what I want to show you guys here is where you can verify your account. At the right side panel of your screen, just click the account verification option. And now that we are here, as we can see that the status of my account is not yet verified, and so it says that some features may be limited or unavailable for us to use. So for this account, you can upload videos and use live streaming, but if you look at the second feature, it clearly says that you can't make money and cash out earnings in this account. But don't you worry, because once this account will be verified, that X mark there will be gone. And that's the time that you have verified your account already. So to verify your account, just follow the steps. Just type in all the informations that are needed for you to start earning through monetization. And that will be your first option on how you can make money here in Rumble. Moving on to the next one, which is earning money through affiliated links. So for the people that has no idea what our affiliated links are, it's a special link that allows someone to earn a commission for promoting a product or service. So when someone clicks on such link and buys something off that link, the person who shared the links earns a percentage of the sale. It's a way for people to earn money here in Rumble without monetizing their account. So let me show you an example here. So into our search bar, let's type in stock query. And if you guys doesn't have any idea who this guy is, well, just an overview for this guy. He puts affiliated links on most of his videos, and that's one of his ways of earning money here in Rumble. So this is Stock Query's postings. Let's go and click on this one here since it has a lot of likes. This guy's video is about the stock market. Also, props to him for making such a catchy thumbnail. But moving on, as we scroll down to the page and we click on the show more, these are all the informations that he included on his posting. But what I want to show you here is if we scroll down, he has all these links. And to be exact, let's look at this trading platform. And under this are all affiliated links. What's gonna happen is when you click the link, it will send you to the Webull website. And once you have signed up and deposit $100 on this website, Stock Query will have a percentage on that sale. Since he's the one who shared the link, that's basically how affiliated link makes you money here in Rumble. So we assume that he makes 5% for every $100 that you deposit. And let's scroll up. So for this video, he has 824 likes. Then we assume that for 824 people that like this video, only 1% made a deposit on the link. So let's pull out our calculator and do the math. So that's 824 times 0.01. So 1% is 8 people who made a deposit of $100 on the link. Then for every deposit, he makes 5%. So basically that's $5 per $100 deposit. And we do the math again, so 8 people times $5. So he earned $40 if only 1% made a deposit. And put that in mind that he has a lot of videos. And let's say he make $40 for each video and he has 1,000 videos. Just do the math and you know that's a crazy amount of money you can make through affiliated links advertising. So this is basically how you can earn money just by posting your videos without monetizing your account. Oh, and also very important note here is that you can actually do an affiliated link advertisements on basically everything that's related to your topic. It's not just about crypto or how stock theory made his money, but it could be everything. For example, if you upload gym videos here and you have a book for fitness ideas, you can absolutely advertise here. You will just need to put an affiliated link and make sure that it's affiliated to you since you will be the one sharing that here in Rumble. And just to make sure that you get the cut. Now moving on into the last one, it isn't really a tutorial but it is a really great way of making money here in Rumble. My last choice is sponsorship or paid promotion. Because sponsorship or paid videos on Rumble provide content creators with a lucrative avenue for income generation by allowing them to collaborate with brands or advertisers. These partnerships offer a mutually beneficial relationship through each other, as creators receive financial compensation for featuring sponsored content, while the brands or products gain exposure to the creator's audience. For this, I don't have to do a tutorial because for you to do that, you can look for products or services that you can ask for paid promotions that you will do on Rumble. There are just so many ways here in Rumble that you can make money. Just go through the website and you can figure things for yourself on which way you can showcase your ability. But those are just the 3 choices that I prefer to start a career here in Rumble. There are so many ways to start earning money here in Rumble, so what are you waiting for? Grab the opportunity and start your career here in Rumble. It could really be a start of something big, or if you have spare time to make money, this site right here is how you will make it. And so for today's topic, that's basically it on how to make money here in Rumble. I hope I helped somehow and made a difference. And I thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any suggestion or ideas, tutorials that you want me to do, just comment down below. And please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.